Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LoopNet for commercial property lead generation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable LoopNet for commercial property lead generation, start by visiting the LoopNet website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. Fill out the required information, including your email address and password. After registering, log in to your new account. Once logged in, navigate to the List of Properties section. Select the type of commercial property you want to list. Fill in the property details, including location, size, and price. Add high-quality images of the property to make your listing more attractive. Be sure to write a compelling description highlighting key features. After entering all the necessary information, review your listing for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click the Submit button to publish your listing. To increase your visibility, consider using LoopNet's promotional features. These options can help you reach a larger audience and generate more leads. Additionally, network with other real estate professionals on the platform. Engage with potential buyers and respond to inquiries promptly. You can also set up alerts for similar properties in your area. This will help you stay informed about the market and refine your strategy. Monitor your listing's performance through the dashboard. Analyze metrics like views and inquiries to evaluate your success. Adjust your listing as needed to improve its attractiveness. Stay consistent in posting new properties to keep your profile active. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to utilizing LoopNet for lead generation in commercial real estate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.